my name is Carrie Ann, and you're watching Hello Friends Carolinas. I'm walking into the art place right here on 25 in Hendersonville. The Hendersonville Art League's art place, located here on 25 in Hendersonville, is home to the gallery, workshops, and classes, plus the Art League office. The new Art Place Studios have opened next door at 2015 Asheville Hwy, and visitors here can see 23 studio artists at work. I'm so excited to visit Kindred Art Therapy Studios with Aubrey Baptista, a dear friend of mine. This studio provides a welcoming space to teens and adults struggling with anxiety and depression in North Carolina. I can't wait to show you all of the fun things and the art here you can find in the studio, and to visit with Aubrey to learn more about what is happening here.
I'm the owner of Kindred Art Therapy and Counseling.
Thank you so much for letting me come to your beautiful space. Tell me about what happens in here.
So this is where I do individual and family therapy, and maybe in the future, if I have enough interest, I'll do some small groups. Make art together, mostly as a way to be able to de-stress and to create a more calming environment, but also a way to be able to process through trauma and to be able to look at things from different perspectives. Well, so the type of art that I like to make is like a more of a free form type of art, and so I do have some examples of the type of art that I like to make, and I will invite clients to make that type of art, but I also welcome my clients to make the type of art that they're comfortable with. And if we're working together for a shorter period of time or a longer period of time, depending on the goals of therapy, we may decide to venture out into some types of art that you haven't tried before, or some things that you want to explore that you've never done. This is the Art League of Henderson County Studios. I think that's what we call it.
Okay.
The art studios of the Art League of Henderson County.
And this is when we first walk in. What are we looking at? What is all this?
So on this wall here, we have an artist, like from all of the studios in here are all artists. So every artist has a piece of art on the wall here, except for me and someone else, I think, but mine are on the table over there because mine were smaller. Here is client art, with the exception of one piece that I have that I drew after a client session that I had. It was a representation of a client.
Aubrey, what do you love about making art?
I love the freedom of expression and just being able to use a lot of colors and explore with textures and forms and just be able to try new things. There's a lot more art in Western North Carolina than there is in the rest of North Carolina that I know of.
That's cool. Okay, so if folks want to reach you, I'm going to put all your contact information, but folks can maybe set up a one-on-one or come see you or come see the art space.
Yeah.
I am so thankful to my friend Aubrey for letting me come visit her in her studio at Art Space there in Hendersonville. You should go see her too. She is so fun and such a genuine spirit. If you enjoyed this episode of Hello Friends Carolinas, please remember to like and subscribe and let me know where I should go next. Bye, friends.